Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to lock apps on your Samsung device. Now over here I am using the Samsung Galaxy A07, but it doesn't matter the Samsung phone you have. This video will guide you on how to lock and hide apps on any Samsung phone without even using a third-party app. And the process is quite simple. First things first, you want to open up the settings of your Samsung device. And then from the settings, you want to just scroll down until you get to the security and privacy settings over here. Now once it opens up, scroll down until you see the more security settings, and then just go ahead and select the secure folder option over here. And because I am using the secure folder for the first time, I will have to set it up. Also, if you don't already have your Samsung account linked to your Samsung phone, you might be required to create and sign into your Samsung account. So click on continue over here, click on continue, and it is just going to take a couple of minutes to set up the secure folder for your Samsung phone. Basically, this is just going to create a separate folder of apps that are locked on your Samsung phone so that nobody else can actually access them. Now, our secure folder is created after a couple of minutes, and what you just want to do now is to set a password for the apps you want to lock. So click on the done button over here and then choose whether you want a PIN, a password, or a pattern. I will select the PIN option over here and then enter my preferred PIN. Click on done, confirm your PIN again, click on done. Now, keep in mind that if you ever forgot your PIN, you would have to reset it using your Samsung account, and that is why a Samsung account is necessary. So click on allow over here and basically just click on the next button. Now you can see that our secure folder has been created. What you want to do now is to click on the plus icon and then add all of the apps you want to lock on your Samsung device. So in my case, I will just go ahead and add the Facebook app over here. You can add as much apps as you want, then click on the add button, and automatically it is going to be added to our secure folder, which is actually the locked app folder on our Samsung device. Once you've locked your app, you can now come over to the home of your Samsung phone, and then if you go over to the list of apps, you're going to see that we have a secure folder option over here, which will require you to enter your password before you can access these apps. So if I click on it over here, currently it does not lock, particularly because I have not set a timer. But if I just turn off my phone now and then try to open it up after just turning off my phone, you're going to see now that it requires a password for you to access it. And if I enter my password, I can actually just access all of the apps on the secure folder. Also note that the apps that are in your secure folder are actually different from the apps on your phone. So you can see that we still have the Facebook app over here, but this one is not secure. The only one that is secured is the one on the secure folder. So simply you can go ahead and just uninstall the app that is not secured now. We actually don't need it since we already have it under the secure folders of our Samsung phone. And if you still want to keep it, you can as well just keep it and then just have different accounts for different apps. Finally, if you don't actually want your secure folder to be shown on the home or list of apps on your Samsung phone, another thing you can actually do is to go over to the settings one more time, click on the secure folder option once you come over here, and then just go ahead and turn off the add secure folder to apps screen over here. And once you turn it off and then click on hide, automatically your secure folder will be disappeared from the home screen of your Samsung device. If you ever want to retrieve it, go back and open up the secure folder one more time. You might be required to enter your PIN, and once you enter your PIN, go ahead and just toggle this on, and you should be able to find your secure folder now on your Samsung device. Note that there are other things you can actually customize from the secure folder, so you can actually choose when you want it to lock and all that directly from over here. That is basically how to lock and hide apps on your Samsung device. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.